Hello and welcome to 36 Brampton Way. Just starting out at the front of the property to show you the beautiful street view in a nice quiet street here. You'll notice we've got the double lock-up garage. We've got 4 bedrooms in this property, 2 bathrooms. Coming through the front entryway, you'll notice that we have no carpets in the property, so it's all fully tiled. First bedroom here. You've got ceiling fan, roller blinds and fly screens. Coming down the hallway to the left, you've got the main bathroom. Main bathroom has standalone shower. You've got the basin and tub. You've got the separate toilet down the end there, and then in here is all linen storage. Coming down to my right, we've got your big double garage and laundry at the end there. So we've got all that epoxy flooring in here as well. Plenty of room for your washer dryer. You've got a clothesline in there. And you also have one out the back there in between those hedges. So direct access out there. You'll notice that we have the solar panel control there as well. So this property does have solar. Big cost saver there, having solar available. Here we have the kitchen, living and dining area. So starting in the kitchen, you've got the cooktop and the oven. Really nice big fridge space there. On this island bench, you've got the sink and dishwasher. You've got plenty of cupboard storage, but then you've also got your big pantry in here. So that's 3 doors wide for your pantry storage. Beautiful open plan for your dining and living area. You've got a bedroom off of this area here. So this is second bedroom I'm showing you. Got ceiling fan, nice big window for natural light. And then in here you've got hanging and shelf up the top. Bedroom number 3, much the same. Cupboard space in there. You'll notice that we've got split system AC for your living area. Got your beautiful outdoor area I'll show you in just a moment. Here is the master bedroom, so nice big room here. Split system AC, ceiling fan, roller blinds, fly screens on all of those windows, and then you've got a side access door to the outdoor entertaining area. Swinging around here, got your walk-in robe, and then your ensuite is on the end there. You've got nice big shower, basin and toilet around the corner there. Go have a look at the outdoor area because it's really beautiful. You got a really big undercover area here with your ceiling fan. This will be perfect for entertaining. And you've got a nice little grass area up the side here as well. Perfect. If you would like to book an inspection or to apply online, please go to www.codepg.com.au.